Your car won't start, and you're already thinking expensive mechanic? Stop. Most no-start problems are simple. First, listen. If you hear clicking, it's usually the battery. No sound at all? Could be a loose connection or a blown fuse. Pop the hood. Check the battery terminals. Are they loose or corroded? Tighten them. Next, check your key or push start. Try a spare key or hold the fob closer. Still nothing? Turn off everything, AC, lights, radio, and try again. Low power matters. These quick checks can save you time, stress, and money before calling a mechanic. Subscribe for full car reviews and smart driving tips you don't want to miss. And comment below. What stopped your car from starting? Car fire.